So in fine summer fashion, a beautiful sunny day turns to rain as soon as the sun go down. Yes. Yes. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. So yeah. And that's just Jah Almighty, the sun on the other side of the world talking to the stars and the clouds. Yeah, it's coming down. So it's slated for this week that it's going to be like 100, 110. Between 105 and 110. So this is to be expected. Yeah, so if you out and about during the day, expect that it's going to be thunderstorm. And a lot of people don't know that go to Jamaica and live in Jamaica that the temperature seldom, if ever, goes above 96 degrees. And why is that? Because of the Jankro Mountain, the Blue Mountain that runs down the ridge of Jamaica. As soon as it gets to be 96 degrees, the environment is perfect for it to rain and thunder. As we stand under Roosevelt Island's canopy to the F train, which is probably one of the safest places we could stand right now because this is a lightning rod on top of it. It's just a shed above ground. This is an underground station, so it would be a magnet. I don't see it hitting anywhere outside that close and bouncing in here. It's possible, of course, but hey, a lot of things possible. Yes, there you go.
Up to you. Go for it.
Rock and roll. Fantastic. So after, oh wow, and I'm having this great memory that one of the wickedest, well, not wicked, but it was one of the greatest thunderstorm I ever was in. I spent it with someone, I'm not going to call that person's name. Yeah, and it was inside a zinc top house. How many of you guys have been in a severe non-hurricane storm? Almost bordering a hurricane. That's how powerful the elements were. And the house was rocking. I just thought I'd reminisce on that. You know, but people get crazy ideas and do crazy things after moments like that. And so we don't dwell on those things. But we just enjoy them. You see, in a minute, it's a flash flood right up to the door. Oh yeah, and the beat goes on. So it's slated for 105, 110 this week. So those of us who are in or experiencing this is enjoying this. We need this break. Gale force wind. Fantastic. But some people are not scared. They're actually standing out in it. I'm under a shed. See that? Yeah. So it might look like I'm in it, but I'm not. They were in it. And that's a nice saver for my page. I delete a lot of things, but I think I'm going to keep this one. Yeah. Wow. That's fantastic. Wow. And that's where it's here. The arch.